Hello, welcome to our channel. Any website uploading my content. So I've done my upload my content, but unable to index my page. Here it is called. What are the content you're uploading? Is index or not? How to check? So I'm selecting this content, copy this URL. I can search in Google itself. Index or not? This URL right now not index. Why? They're not showing my website link. They're not showing my website link. How to index? That option name is called Google Search Console. Google Search Console. That in a Google Search Console, the option name is called URL inspection. Click the URL inspection. Click this URL. Enter it. They will show URL on Google. Right now, his option will be URL in Google. Click for requesting to index. Requesting to index. Why? Because when I upload the content, I'm clicking for Control F5 option. So that is called indexing will be too fast in the previous video. So here you are on Google. Indexing will be fasting purpose. You can do this particular option name is called here it is. After that, requesting is done. What you can click for text live URL. That mean by what are the new content you're uploading on a website. Immediately we can do this option name is called Google Search Console, that is called URL inspection. Here you can select the website and do this particular option. Why? Because in one login, so many websites are there. Relevant website you can select. We have to click for URL inspection option. This mean by I mean coming to Google with the content, please index that you will given by the Google Search Console option. And your page any errors or any issues, the intimate will be here. See this, everything is correct. When I'm posting content, see this. All will be properly inspected by which one? Google Search Console. That is the URL inspection option. What are the content you post? Immediately you can do by the URL inspection option. This method follow for each and every website. So this is the indexing process each and every URL. Any URL, first of all, if you're selecting from view videos, I'm selecting this link, copy the URL. Here is the mistake is called space, extra space. What we can go for it, edit. When uploading time, space is compulsory, don't upload for long. And what are the title here? Rajamouli. Writing will be. This is the way people writing mistakes. Update. Videos. Previous place is that the not place. Why? Because space is the wrong. After the character, any character, don't use the space. Copy this URL. It index or not. How to check? Copy and paste. It will show like this. Is it clear? So right now I'm changing the URL. What will happen? Same showing URL will be here. So what is the next concept? Immediately we can do by the search console option. Any changes is happening. What is happening? Not done in the URL. Request to index URL. So always any content new uploading on a website, immediately do for the URL inspection. That is called indexing process. Very, very important. That's the first concept for each and every website. Do the things that they will finish by less than 1 to 2 minutes of time. After that, is the live URL option. What is the final destination is called URL index on Google. So they will show like this. After this, but now right now what is showing? Not Google. After test live URL. First this and second will be this option. Each and every website, same constant we have to follow to index the URLs. That's the first priority. This is the way we have to work out on a particular websites. First of all, content uploading with a proper URL structure, description, keyword, and title. Next will be index process will be using Google Search Console option. Small mistake, entire URL will be problem. Is it clear? This is the way index each and every pages on particular Google Search Console option. Any further question? Ask me to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.